If you want to learn how to add an invoice term, discount, or even a branch in Cicero, then this tutorial is for you, so stay tuned. This tutorial will include the following: adding an invoice term, adding an invoice discount, adding an order discount break by product class, and lastly, adding a branch. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are starting with a new module in Cicero, and that's the accounts receivable. So let's get started.
Hi, Sandra. Following the meeting this morning with the sales team, I have approved the settlement discount of 5% if our customers pay within 30 days. Hopefully, this will encourage them to pay early. Please add this new invoice term to the system. Thanks.
We're going to start by going to accounts receivable. Then we're going to go to setup, and we're going to look for AR invoice terms. And we're going to click. I'm just going to maximize my screen. On invoice terms, we're going to enter the invoice terms code. Then we're going to tap off to enter our description. Okay. Then we're going to tap off to enter the discount percentage. Going to tap off on discount. So on discount option, we're going to make sure that our option for number of days is selected. Then we're going to tap off to enter the discount days, and we're going to enter 30. We're going to tap off all the way to due, and on invoice due option, we're going to make sure that the number of days option is selected. On invoice days, we're going to then proceed by entering 30, and we're going to then tap off. We're going to click on the save icon. Then we're going to close the program, and that is how you add an invoice term.
Hi, Gisela. We are going to be offering selected customers invoice discounts of 5% off the list price for the invoice total. To allow quicker processing, please can you add this to the AR invoice discounts table?
We're going to start by going to accounts receivable, then we're going to go to setup, and we're going to scroll down looking for AR invoice discounts. There we go. Then we're going to click there, and then we're going to maximize the screen. On invoice discount, we're going to start by entering the invoice discount code. Then we're going to tap off to enter our description. We're going to then tap off on the discount percentages, and on first, we're going to enter 5. Then we're going to leave the defaults as they are, and we're going to click on the save icon. We're going to then close this program, and that is how you add an invoice discount. I hope you're finding this tutorial informative. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now let's continue with the tutorial.
Hi, Sandra. Following the meeting this morning with John, I have approved the addition of the following bulk order discounts. If customers order items in the bicycle accessories product class, the following discounts apply. For a minimum order of 500 units, first discount, 2.5%. Second discount, 2%. Third discount, 1.5%.
So we're going to start by going to accounts receivable. Then we're going to go to setup, and we're going to look for order discount breaks. Okay, there we have it, and we're going to click there. I'm just going to maximize my screen. On order discount level, this is where we're going to then select product class. On product class, we're going to type in our product class code. Then we're going to tap off. Okay. On discount calculation basis, we're going to make sure we have selected quantity. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to then click right under here, and here we're going to now enter our minimum amount. We're going to tap off to enter the first discount percentage. We're going to tap off to enter the second discount percentage. And we're going to tap off to now enter the third discount percentage. Then we're going to click on the save icon. We're going to then close the program, and that is how you add order discount breaks.
Hello, Sandra. Following the successful purchase of the property at 562 Bigthorn Street West, I can confirm that the branch will be opening next week. Please add the branch details to the system. The branch is code 40. The relevant ledger codes have been added and are prefixed with 40 as per our company standards. Thanks.
We're going to start by going to accounts receivable, then we're going to go to setup, and we're going to go to AR branches. I'm just going to maximize the screen. On branch, we're going to enter our branch code. Then I'm going to tap off to enter the description for the branch. Okay, receivables, West. We're going to tap off now to enter the branch address. Okay, building number, for example's sake, I'm just going to put anything here. Western Street. And tap off, then you enter the city. And you continue all the way down to enter the address. Then we're going to tap off all the way to the sales value accounts, where we're going to now enter the ledger codes for these accounts. Okay. So for example, let's start with the AR control. Okay, then we're going to enter the account there. Okay, perfect. And it pops up. Okay. Then we enter the freight charge ledger code. Okay, there we go. We're going to say okay. Then we enter the finance charge ledger code. There we have it, and we're going to click OK. Next is the rounding error. Okay. Next is going to be the deposit control. Next is the sales tax. Okay. Then we're going to enter the cost of sales accounts. So it's the freight, ledger code, okay. We have it. We're going to then click OK. Then we have the non-stock, miscellaneous, and freight. Okay. The ledger code is as follows. Okay, perfect. When we're done, we're going to leave everything as is, and we're going to then click on the save icon. Okay, we have our address, we have our description. Just change this into a capital letter like that. We're going to then click on the save icon. We're going to close the program, and that is how you add a branch. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which videos you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video.